Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. Market is not doing good, but we are. We got Zachary first in the chat. PS5 Future Gaming. Juana Silva, glad to have you in here. PS5 and Hemi Life. What's going on? Juana says, Buenas tardes, my Clay. Buenas tardes, my Juana. Sorry, Juana didn't have good signal. She's in Mexico for 1 week. I'll try my best. Juana, listen, Juana, if you're in Mexico, if you're vacationing right now, if you're back home, whatever the deal is, please just enjoy it. Do not worry about hanging out here. It is all right. Enjoy your time in Mexico, because trust me when I tell you, I will be here when you get back. Hemi Life, what's going on, Hemi Life? Glad to have you. Moses, what's up? How you doing? What did you say you were from, man? Didn't you say you were from a different, didn't you say you were from Europe? Or am I mistaken? Was that somebody else? Let's go over to the market and see what the market's got going on. Simonino, what's going on, Simonino? Man, the Nasdaq coming exactly back down to that support level we were talking about earlier. AMC in the top left, $12.68, down 6.5% today. Shiba Inu coin, 1056. My gosh. You know, if you look at Shiba Inu coin on an hourly chart, this is what you basically have here. This is what you basically got. Like, this is like no action whatsoever on Shiba Inu coin for the longest time. We need to get some action on Shiba. Very, very stagnant price action for the longest time here. So hopefully we got a little good vibes heading our way. GameStop trying to bounce back. AMC trying to bounce back into the close right now. Nasdaq, this is what we were talking about earlier, guys. This level right here, I did not just put this on. This is what we were saying. That the Nasdaq, when it was up here this morning, the Nasdaq does look like it wants to curl over, and the next level of support is around this 11.7 level, and that is exactly where we are falling to this morning. 11.7, or this afternoon, 11.7, 11.8, right here at this level of support. Hopefully it holds up. I do not want to see a breakthrough and a touch of this support level back down here all the way at 11. I mean, you're talking another 8% decline in the Nasdaq before we reach this next support level. So hopefully we got to hold up there. GameStop getting hit hard. Bjor Therapeutics down 7%, almost 8%. AMC down 6%. Ethereum and Bitcoin down. Shiba slightly up. Basically no action today. Sundial is down on the day, 5.5%, sitting at 34 cents right now. Mullen Auto down 5.5%. CEI down 6.5%. The SPY is down 2%. BBIG down 6%. Highcroft down 3%. Netflix down 5%. Redbox down 4%. Let the bloodbath begin, ladies and gentlemen. It is a tough day for the stock market, but we are going to be okay. Juana with the green name. Welcome, Juana. Simonino. I love Juana's green name, man. Bosnia. My gosh, dude. Bosnia Sarajevo. Dude, I know that I probably said that wrong. I'm assuming that's a city in Bosnia. I could be wrong, but that's my assumption. Bosnia. You know what, man? I went to high school. There was a couple kids in my high school that were from Bosnia. Other than that, I don't know anybody or really have spoken to anybody that was from Bosnia. One with a green name. Yes, Klebro, new to your channel. Hi, all. Red Drizzler, 2010. Red Drizzler, welcome to the channel, man. Glad to have you in here. Guess what? You're going to be coming back on a daily basis, twice a day during the week during the week now. There's nothing you can do about it, man. You found your new home. Sorry to say, but you're 1 hour from about noon to 1, and then you're 1 hour from roughly 4 to 5. It's going to be taken up, man. Viagra barcode for Shiba. Yeah, we get the Viagra barcode for Shiba. Dude, we just need the straight, like the straight up. That's all we need right there. Shiba Sham. Oh, no. Is it 1 o'clock? Yeah, it's 1 o'clock somewhere. AMC finishing strong. Pringleton, you know it, man. AMC steeper. AMC over under 13. Call it right now. We're gonna rally into the close. That would be nice if we did. I don't know if we're gonna pass 13 though. Almost 1 o'clock here in California. Yeah, I knew it was 1 o'clock somewhere, Mr. Science. Always 1 o'clock somewhere. I think Wanda needs to change her name before Simon explodes. Do it. How's that Shib Trash doing today? Still a losing sham. Yup, Malone. Shib is not a losing sham, man. If you think that Shib is a losing sham, all of crypto would be a losing sham at this point. Some of you guys come up with the funniest stuff, though. How's that Shib Trash doing? Still a losing sham? Yup. Do you think it's a good idea to buy more Luna Classic now before the burns get back? So, Hemi Life. Let me put it this way. If the burns are going to get past, then yes, I would imagine it's a good time to buy Luna Classic right now. Now, if it gets passed but they don't implement it, okay, that's a different story. We got the hype going on. If it gets passed and people see that it's still going to take a while for the supply to burn down, they may get a little discouraged. So it may turn into a buy the rumor, sell the news type of a deal. But yeah, I do think that is going to be a decent catalyst for Luna Classic. So if you buy now expecting the burns to get passed and then all of a sudden it does, but they don't implement it, it could turn into a bad decision. But if everything goes smoothly, if the burns do get implemented, if all of a sudden we see 1 billion Luna being burnt a day, yeah, dude, I think that it's going to be a great time to buy. Hey, bro, won't learn mining if you don't make a video. Hey, Sam Demand, I don't know if I will make any mining videos or not. I could make some mining videos. I think that, what, maybe I will. I don't know. I think that kind of goes away from the core audience, but everybody that's still interested in cryptocurrencies, I think it could be a good idea. So I will contemplate that. I may be able to make a very simple video for people to look at and check out there. But I will tell you this, man, and I have I'm not affiliated with this dude whatsoever. I don't even think he knows my name. There's this kid named Vosk Coin out there, VOSK Coin. He's the guy that I started watching back in 2017, man. And I think, he's got a lot of older videos back in 2017, and he continues to make new videos now. But he's got a lot of older videos that still ring true today. Building a miner is building a miner. It's basically just putting your computer together and things like that. But he made some pretty good videos and explains things very simply. But other than that, he's really the only guy that I've watched out there that I would recommend. And I don't think he knows that I even know who he is or that he knows who I am or anything like that. But Vosk Coin, anybody interested in cryptocurrency mining could check his channels out too. But it doesn't mean that I wouldn't make one, because I have been mining, for 5 years now. So it is a possibility that I could. It just doesn't necessarily go in line with the current videos that I'm making. Because his videos are cool, dude. He's got all the parts out there, all of that. My videos are basically just me talking, right? So it is a little bit of a different style, and I think that he's done very well at those. So you guys could learn something. That's where I learned how to build the miners and set them up and get the software and all that stuff. Simple Miner. I know he uses a couple different mining programs, but Simple Miner, dude, honestly, it's so easy with Simple Miner. I appreciate the name that they got out there too. You can either pay $2 per rig, $2 a month to have your rigs run, or you can just make a new email every month if you wanted, and you get a free month. So completely up to you, but I do think that it's very simple to set that stuff up. I think I missed something. Simon, you want a Fanta? Want a Fanta? Don't you want a Fanta? Yes, I wanna. I think one saw that. Do you think it's a good idea to solve that? Yes. Clay, what are your thoughts on all these YouTubers promoting Bone when it's obvious the developers made it to gas so they can profit from it? They know they can. James, I actually haven't seen any developers or any YouTubers promoting it yet. But I will tell you, dude, I see so many people promoting it on Twitter right now. Here's my thoughts on it, okay? I have no problem with people buying Bone. You are absolutely right, James. And I don't know. I really don't know, okay? As far as, being a programmer, I don't know if you need access to the contract to make it the utility token for that layer 2 blockchain. If you do, clearly you can't use Shiba Inu coin because that contract has just been trashed. It's been thrown away. Nobody owns it. Nobody can control it and things like that. If you do, I can understand Bone, being used. But yes, you are right. They pay themselves in Bone. Every newly minted Bone, a portion of that goes to the developers. They do have a marketing project all of the newly minted bone, a portion goes to the marketing project. I do not know if they are paying YouTubers and if they are paying a lot of these guys on Twitter to promote bone. I mean, I know people like Queenie and probably Milkshake and Shitoshi and these Eric and Kyle or whatever these developers are. I know they get paid in bone, but I don't know if some of these other guys do. Now, with that being said, I have no problem with people getting paid. Dude, all of us should get paid. Like, if you're doing some sort of, if you're putting an effort out there, you should get paid for it. All right? I don't have a problem with them getting paid. But there's a couple things that, I see people saying out there that I do disagree with, and they're telling you that everybody will need bone. You will not need bone once Shibaarium launches. If you're on Shibaarium, you will, but you can choose to stay on Ethereum, or you can move over to Shibaarium. Now, clearly there's going to be benefits of moving over to Shibaarium, and I think that it would be wise if you plan on, trading your Shiba Inu coin. If you want to buy and sell, and you're not on a centralized exchange, then you should probably move over to Shibaarium, because your gas fees are going to be drastically reduced. Doesn't mean you have to. And a lot of people are out there claiming that you have to, and therefore bone is going to skyrocket to $100. My personal opinion, it's going to be a slow adoption, and it's not going to just skyrocket the price of bone. And people may get upset with that and, of course, sell, because it's not an immediate reaction. However, if longer term, if we have a huge warm welcome for Shibaarium, yeah, dude, I think bone can do phenomenally. And I have no problem buying it. Like, in that sense, I just don't currently own any. I don't know if I will. I'm not holding my Shiba Inu coin on like a centralized exchange or on a decentralized exchange or anything. So, like, buying and selling it is fine. I've got my Shiba Inu coin actually in Weeble, so it's not like I have to. I should probably sell it there and keep it on Voyager. If you guys are like if you're level 3 tier VGX member, you're going to end up getting like 2% staking rewards just to hold your Shiba Inu coin on Voyager. You don't have to lock it up or anything. They just pay you 2% a year to hold your Shiba Inu coin on their platform. So I actually probably should move that over. It doesn't make sense to hold it somewhere that's not paying me. But let's go down. Zico, man, from, oh my gosh, where is it? Finland, right? Zico from Finland. Welcome to the little bro. Guys, I want to see 81 welcomes in the chat right now. Zico, grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro. You guys know what we doing here. Yes, Springleton says, welcome, Zico. Zico, welcome. Yes, Sam, thank you very much. I don't eat lunch. I drink it, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Wayne Grow, you drinking that protein? Good deal, man. Luna finally burning. Let's go. Now I gotta buy more. Yeah, Nelson channel. You gotta buy more if it's moving up, right? You always gotta buy more. I don't know, man. I don't know. What do you guys ask me all day, right? You guys ask me all day long. What do you guys think that Luna could go to? You don't have to give me an explanation or anything. Just throw some numbers out in the chat. I want to know, as everybody is saying, welcome to Zico. I did not see enough welcomes. Guys, it takes 2 seconds. Even if you're an audio listener, the guy paid to become a little bro, have a green name, please show him a warm welcome and say, welcome Zico, into the chat right now. That is how we welcome all of the members. Part of the family now, man. Little bro, part of the family now. Let's see. Won't buy bone again. What about Saitama? Octane. Look, Saitama, I don't have any Saitama. I don't plan on ever getting any Saitama unless maybe it drastically tanked in value or something. But I think Saitama's been riddled with a lot of problems. Every time they do a release or every time they have a date, it seems like they have a hard time keeping up with those expectations there. So I don't know. I don't plan on getting any Saitama, but if there's one thing I know, people love Saitama, right? It's got a very strong community, and I see these people come in here all the time. So that's exactly what you need if you get a meme coin. Zachary says Luna's going to Like 10 zeros and a 1. Outdoor Smile says half a cent. Mr. Simon, thank you for saying welcome, Zico. Dollar. Hemi Life says dollar. Very nice. Welcome. Thank you. Denise says welcome, Zico. Thank you, Denise. Octane, welcome. You guys are the best, man. Octane saying welcome. Hemi Life saying welcome. I love it. James saying Luna to 50 cents in 6 months. Nice. Cody saying welcome, Zico. D saying welcome, Zico. Samanino saying welcome, Zico. Red Drizzler saying welcome. You guys are the best, man. I love it. Well, I should start by spelling your name right. Sup, Zico. That's the first thing. You got to get the name right. I can say it. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Could be Zico for all I know. Cool, you still holding Luna Flow. I'm holding Luna Flow Inu. I'm not holding Luna Flow Inu, guys. Don't take my word for that. I have no idea if Luna Flow Inu is actually real. Claybro, Lunk is going crazy. Is it going crazy right now? Lunk going crazy? Is it going crazy? Yeah, it's going back up, man. Lunk is going back up. Lunk is wild today. I mean, I know you guys saw this, right? We'll look at on the 5-minute chart. You can see that it was just getting ripped last night, losing about 50% of its value, more than doubling in price, back up to 8,700 points per coin, dropping back down to about 6,000 points. Now it's back up 33% to about 8,000 points per coin, dropping from 8 all the way down to 7,700 right now. Another 5% decline just in the last 1 minute here. Wild swings on Luna Classic. So if you guys are interested in Luna Classic, be careful with it. If you don't know where to trade it, I actually don't know if it's available on Webull, but you're going to get $50 in free Bitcoin if you use the link in the description below for Voyager. And then I do like Voyager because you get the passive income on there. Lunk hoping for 10 cents. Dude, I hope you guys get 10 cents. That'd be amazing. Zico, meme of the week. Possibly, man. Any news on UST? John James, no, I don't have any news on UST. I know people are trying to burn it. I know people are, talking, but I don't have any news on it. I haven't read anything about it. I haven't seen any, social media posts on it, so I don't have any news on UST, actually. What about ApeCoin? Any thoughts? So, Octane, yeah, I do have thoughts on ApeCoin, man. My thoughts on ApeCoin, it's kind of following the overall crypto market right now, getting hit pretty hard down to the $5 range, especially from where it was in the 20s. But let's see, here's ApeCoin. Getting hit pretty hard down to the $5 range here, as you can see on a daily chart, and kind of steadying off, hitting some major levels of support down here. The thing I like about ApeCoin is that it's got the Yuga Labs Association. It's associated with a very, very rich project. And the next time, I don't know if it's going to be from here. I don't know if it's going to drop down to $1. I don't know if it's going to drop down to 10 cents. I have no idea how far down it's going to go. But let's just say this is the bottom. If Yuga Labs announced another NFT project tomorrow that would require you to buy it in ApeCoin, boom, 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 boom. I would absolutely expect a massive rally in the price of ApeCoin. So, fortunately or unfortunately, however you want to look at it, I think it's going to be very strongly tied to the Yuga Labs community there and their NFT projects. So, I do think it's going to have its success tied to those NFTs. Redbox thoughts. Redbox has a wild cost to borrow right now. Redbox extremely volatile, but it's also bouncing off some major levels of resistance. So we see this in here, gapped up yesterday, has been coming back down over the last 2 days from where it gapped up and kind of topped out in this $11.25 range. Look, it's done it before and fell all the way back down to the $2 range. It did it again, could absolutely fall back down in a 1 month, in a 1 week period, could fall back down to the $2, $3, $4 range. If it does, I am not opposed to buying it. I like the attention, I like the volatility, and I like Redbox moving forward, especially with the short squeeze numbers. I think the short interest is over 100%. So, and the cost to borrow was like 300+%. So I think that Redbox has some excellent opportunities ahead. I'm just a little skeptical getting in this area right here, knowing that it couldn't break it here. Doesn't seem like it's ready to break it just yet. So if you're not in it, let's put it this way. I'm not in it. I don't plan on getting in just yet. If I was in it, I would either put some stop losses on or take advantage of my profit on the way back down here and get back in, because I don't think we've seen the end of the volatility. But I do have Redbox on my watch list because I am specifically watching it to get in it at some point if I can. Let's see. No, I missed some stuff here. Let's see what we got. Clibroni, what's going on? What's up, Ape fam? What's happening? AMC Trapper in the house, baby. I've seen the project. Have you guys? Straight. I think I might have missed it, man. Hey, Clay, we love your channel. Can you sing Carol Baskins for us? Hey, Gregory, you know the song? Carol Baskin, who are you? Who are you? Why'd you kill your husband? Why'd you kill your husband? That's not cool. That's not cool. Thank you very much, Gregory. What did IMPP close at? IMPP closed at, where we at? IMPP closing at 82 cents flat. 82 cents flat, man. So once again, I believe you did pretty well, sitting at 80 cents after hours right now. Closing at 82 cents flat and sitting at 80 cents after hours there. Not bad at all. Let's go back up to here. Get this view out here. What is this? Custom. They call it custom. Ladies and gentlemen, in the States, I buy me some Shib and Mega Millions ticket. You never know. There you go, Moises. There was an incident this morning in the stream with you. A banana and one of my customers. Yes, there was, man. There was, and it worked out very well for you, Outdoor Smile. You got a return customer out of it. Thomas says 3,000 is okay for me. Can someone help me, please? I will pay it back, Thomas. I don't. This is not a place for loans. I'm sure somebody could help you out, but very dangerous to take loans from people on the internet. My geez, Vegas Chef Andrew, what is going on? My goodness. I see this dude's tweets every day, but I never see him in the chat. What's going on, Vegas Chef Andrew? How's your day going? So I have to just do this to get followers. No, Stray. Actually, if you do this, man, you don't get any followers. The live streams, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, the live streams, maybe one follower from the live streams. Live streams are terrible for gaining followers. You got to post videos if you want subscribers. It's just the way it is. Like, I wish people subscribe to the channel during the live streams, but they don't, man. They don't. Live streams are drastically viewed by people who are already subscribed and very rarely result in subscribers. So make videos if you want to get subscribers. Just letting you know what it is, dude. Bro, want to know your thoughts about UBA. My friend is mining it, and I don't know anything about it, and I cannot find the rate. UBA, dude. I don't know off the top of my head what UBA is. I gotta reload CoinMarketCap, man. It doesn't even bring up UBA. We talking unbox art? I don't know, man. Without like going in and spending a ton of time trying to find something, I unfortunately don't know what UBA is. MEIP gonna run heavy tomorrow. Major score coming down. Hey man, if you know that it's gonna run heavy tomorrow, I like it. You guys get into MEIP right now. Let's see if Wayne Grow is correct here. Magic 8 Ball is MEIP going to run heavy tomorrow. Let's see what you say here. Well, I don't know there. Wayne Grow. Might be hard for you guys to see, but the Magic 8 Ball is very doubtful. Gosh, come on. The Magic 8 Ball was very doubtful. I gotta find a better angle at holding that 8 Ball up. You have a title. I have a loan. Let's go. There you go, man. There you go. We got a loan shark in here. AMC Trapper coming in. All you got to do is put that title up. You got the loan, man. AMC joining the Russell 1000. Have you heard about that? Any thoughts? Alex, I have not. I believe that we were looking at that a while ago, and GameStop did join, but AMC did not join, correct? And it did absolutely nothing for GameStop when it joined. So I would not get excited about it if it is joining the Russell 1000. Clay became a subscriber by watching a live stream. Frodo, you are one of the very few, my friend, and I'm glad that you did. Good evening to the team from Athens. from Athens, man. Athens, I've been in Athens before, Costas. Glad to have you in here and really appreciate the fact that you're in the channel right now. I was pleased to see that. Had followed him before he joined, but saw GME people doubt him. Hopefully set to rest. I know I missed something. Billy Ricketts told me to come by today. I subscribe, brother. Major score coming down. Let's get it, Wayne Grow. Welcome to the Bro Network. Please remove your trousers for the full effect. Planet Beta. It is the best way to get the full effect on anything. Gotta remove those trousers, right? Clay, Clay, you should get a Mega Millions lottery ticket. Nelson channel, I probably should. What's the Mega Millions lottery at right now? Gas is $4.89 down here in Florida. Dude, Swole Team 6, $5.09. $5.09 here in Ohio, man. What? Dude, $5.09, it's ridiculous. This is Ohio. Gas should be like 14 cents a gallon, man. What are we, $5.09? Literally, this is Ohio. This is Ohio, man. This is Ohio. The gas should not be $5.09. It should be like maximum $1.14. Hey, long time no see. I'm going to leave your yard now so you don't freak out. Much love. Droman, thank you for leaving the yard, man. I might mow later, so thank you for leaving right now. I don't want to run over you. I became a subscriber by accident. I thought this was a banana channel. DD214. Kind of is a banana channel, man. Kind of is a banana channel. So Team 6, North Central Ohio. Well, North Central Ohio, well, either way, $5.09 for gas. It's ridiculous. $700 trillion, literally. Why? What's Elon implying? I have no idea, Logan. 226 million. Oh, the Mega Millions is 226. Dude, I could use 226 million. I could definitely use 26 million. I mean, this is BS. I thought I snuck in 5 million loot just before this run. I really bought 100,000 and went from $7 to $8. Nice, dude. Outdoor smile. Big gains, baby. Big gains. Got that dollar. Let me ask you this. Swole Team 6, you gonna sell it and buy back in, or are you just gonna let that 100,000 roll? DD214 says this is the banana channel, man. You peel that banana. This is called the lick and stick technique. DD214, I'm thinking about you, but you guys know who I'm looking at. Eye contact, very important. Tilt the head back just a little bit. Maintain that eye contact there. Lick and stick. Thank you very much, DD214, for the super sticker. Really appreciate you, man. Hey, Clay Bro, just checking in about tomorrow at about 2 p.m. Hey, Clay Bro, just checking in about tomorrow at 2 p.m. What is happening tomorrow at 2 p.m.? Friday at 2 p.m.? We got something going on tomorrow, Friday at 2 p.m. I don't know if we do. What's going on tomorrow, Friday at 2 p.m., man? I need to know. I just watched Trucker pay $1,200 for some. Tim, these dudes better be charging more for running that freight, because that is ridiculous. Bro, reading through Twitter comments today on the Wellies NFT launch, people are upset since it wasn't Shibaarium news. Reminds me of the AMA where you and Matt played good cop, bad cop. Did he do that, man? Did we play good cop, bad cop? I don't remember playing good cop, bad cop. Who was the good cop and who was the bad cop? Now I need to know. Was I the good cop or was I the bad cop? Hey, Clay, can we get an afternoon update on Cardano? Yes, we can. Zachary, let's check out Cardano really quick. Cardano, ADA. Go up to the A's, and I don't understand why this stuff is not. It's supposed to be in order by symbol. There it is. Now it's at the top. All right, we got it. 63 cents, down 1% on the day. Hey, man, not bad considering, I mean, especially this daily chart here. We can see Cardano's kind of on a little bit of an upswing here, and it's not losing too much today. You compare it to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's just go Ethereum since it's the same as Bitcoin. See, you had Cardano kind of on an upswing. Ethereum, no, it's Ethereum Classic. My gosh. Where the heck is Ethereum? It's supposed to be Ethereum, ETH, USD. I do not understand why this stuff is not in order when it's supposed to be in order. I know Bitcoin did not get cut off the watch list. And Bitcoin sitting here, not really on an upswing, kind of coming back down in this channel right here at this amazingly spectacular $30,000 level of support that is not being broken. So Cardano on an upswing, looking a little bit better on the daily than Bitcoin is right now. Where do we go? Let's go. Naked HD, peace out to you, man. Let's see, I'm going to clip that capture and clip it and mint it at Claybro NFT. Vegas Chef, get it, man. Get it. And watch it every single night. Dude, I know there's got to be somebody out there that's already clipped one and watches it every night. What am I going to do about it, though? What am I going to do about it? It's the internet. You guys can do whatever you want with these clips. Plain Advantage, get full effect. Oh, God, yeah. Plain Advantage, no trousers, full effect, man. Good deal. All right, well, Clip was a good cop. Did he do that? Nice, man. Nice. Let's see here. MEIP, look at it to get. Oh, man, it was making a move. Had to get in on it. MEIP, my friend getting in on Mayfarm. Oh, you guys get me nervous with these pharma stocks. My goodness. Yeah, look, it is running back up. This level right in here may prove to be resistance. If it breaks it, I do agree, man. You could probably see a very nice run if it breaks through this level. So we will keep our eyes on this tomorrow. You're saying we're going to have a nice little run tomorrow? This level does seem to be resistance. When it gapped down, boom, this is where it stopped. Tried to break it, couldn't do it. 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 Tried to break it. We'll see if it can do it. If we get a nice breakout to the upside tomorrow, yeah, dude, you're talking way back up here, almost $1. Shoot, dude, if you gap fill, $1.68 wouldn't be bad at all. But nonetheless, pharma stocks are dangerous, okay? And it looks like this one has been hit pretty hard over the years. I'm sure they reverse split a couple times to get you that $780 price, but it does look like it's been hit very hard over the years. Be careful with it, but hey, it sounds like you like the heavy movers, man. So take in that volatility. You sound like a Luna Classic guy to me. Go grab some Luna Classic on Voyager. Thank you, Chef Andrew. The hot dog and the salt, it's the worst. Just smile and let it go, man. Just smile and let it go. It's a beautiful day in Clay's neighborhood. Remember, peeps, smash that like button. Please do. Remember to do that. Naked guys in the chat. Hey, naked guys always in the chat, dude. I already do, baby. Yes, I already do. There you go, Zico. Ouch, that has to hurt the wallet. What did Zico say, man? I missed what Zico said. Zico said, by the way, gas is $10.25. Oh my gosh. Zico, in all honesty, how does that feel? Because I know you guys probably pay in liters, and then I know after the conversion rate from, what do you guys use? Euros? Actually, I don't know what Finland uses. But after the conversion rate, yeah. How does that feel, man? Like, in all honesty, what is that like? Are people working from home because of it? Are people changing their lives because of it? Or is everybody just eating the cost of it? Because I know in California, it's what, $7 to $8 a gallon for people in California? $5 a gallon is obscene. But it doesn't seem to be affecting people in the way that I would have expected it to. People are still going to work. People are still, going out to eat. People are still just driving around. I hear a truck going down the road right now. People are still, I don't know. They're complaining, but they don't seem to be making any changes. So what does $10 a gallon look like? Anybody making changes on those $10? New phone! Thank you. We're taking this banana all the way to Pluto, baby. You know who I'm looking at right now. Eye contact. Tilt the head back a little bit. You lick. You stick. New folk. Thank you for the banana. AMC Trapper, you better have caught that one. Oh yeah. Vegas Chef Andrew, I know you clipped it already. Don't worry. You can save it in your secret folder. It's okay. 1025. Cool. I want to see 200. Oh my god. Shredder. No, we don't need $200 a barrel. We don't need a gas to go up to $20 a gallon. We don't need it. Krona, brother. Krona. Is that like... No, that's what... Do they use the same thing as... Is it the same thing as like the Swedish krona? Or is it different? Finland's got a krona as well? Oh, man. There is a new coin named Terra. It points to any news? No. PS5 Future Gaming. Probably just some sort of a meme coin or probably just a potential scam coin or something. Watch out on that. Thoughts on Luna Classic? I like it. If they burn it, it's going to go up should go up in value, but the crazy volatility right now has to be attracting the attention of day traders. So we might see this volatility continue on. You could double your money in an hour. You could lose half of your money in an hour. So be careful if you guys are playing it. Feels like I got robbed. No, don't get robbed. 10.25 a gallon. Feels like I am walking to work. Just say, Tim, that's the thing, man. I would expect people, you know, we're already good at working from home. We've been through that. I would expect businesses that, you know, you don't have to be at work, like manufacturing jobs. I would expect some businesses to allow people to work from home. I would have already expected it with gas being obscene. I'm not seeing it here in Ohio, and gas is at $5 a gallon. I want to know if anybody is seeing any actual changes, either in behavior or changes in like routine and changes in you know what businesses are allowing you to do. Because clearly 10's a lot worse than 5, but I would have expected 5 to be pretty bad here. Thoughts on SafeMoon? Michael, you know, I don't know enough about SafeMoon to really talk about it, dude. I think SafeMoon and Shiba Inu coin were both neck and neck way back in the day. I think Shiba Inu coin has surpassed them, but I really don't know enough about SafeMoon to like talk about it. We getting out gas cars. We better get out gas cars, man. MC Trapper smiling. MC Trapper, what? Chiquita, new name. We got Trapper Chiquita in here. My clip, bro. Spank bag. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Everybody got their secret folder. I know they do. That's why you got to switch to the E85, bro. Dude, I got to switch to just a bicycle or something, man. Switching to, I can't afford any gas these days. It's ridiculous. I don't understand how anybody affords gas these days. Shiba's done. No, Master. Why, Master? Here's the thing, though. Like, I completely don't care if you guys come in here and say Shiba's done, Shiba's trash, and all that stuff. But you have to back it up. You have to back it up. So you got to tell us why. Shiba was a pump dump. Master, possibly. Okay, possibly. It clearly ran up in value twice. It's not just a pump and dump once and then it's done. It ran up to 3,500 points per coin. It was like a 7x back in May, maybe even more than that in a very short period of time. And then October-November time frame, yeah, dude, you saw a 10x increase in the price in a very short period of time. It didn't necessarily dump off, though. That's the thing. My argument against the pump and dump is, I agree, it did pump up in price, drastically outpaced the overall crypto market, but the dump was not just Shiba Inu coin, and it doesn't seem to be done to me. It's, you know, it's still trading $1 billion+ a day. The entire crypto market is down well over 50%. Bitcoin down about 50-60% from where it was. Ethereum down 60%. You've got all of these other cryptos that are down 70-80-90% as well. So it's tough for me to agree to a pump and dump. The pump I'll agree to. Dump, I'm not sure. Family uses euro, paid $2.65 per liter. I lived in Texas in 2020 and filled my tank up with $1.16 per gallon. People in Finland are used to socialism. They don't mind paying high gas prices. Oh, God. Oh, man. People in Finland. Oh, no. Dude, $10 gas prices. It's crazy, man. I don't know how you could not mind that. And I'm not saying this in any sort of like a disrespectful way. What good comes out of that, though? What good comes out of that, man? Like, I understand the concepts and the ideas of, like, everybody chipping in and all that, but what good comes out of paying $10+ gallon for gasoline? I don't know, man. I don't know. But your Vespa doesn't take much gas, right? Heck no, man. The Vespa, it doesn't take any gas at all because I don't have one. 90% usage soon through major retailers. Michael, you're still talking about SafeMoon, right? Zico, I have to decide if I want to walk 10 minutes or drive 5. Walk 10, dude. Walk 10 for sure. If the weather's nice, I say go walk. Or go to the compressed natural gas, bro. That's some crazy stuff. I actually don't know. They make cars that run on compressed natural gas? I know everyone would disagree with me, but given the yield that refineries get from turning crude oil into gasoline, I think gas should be way more expensive in general. Just saying. I actually don't know what it takes to turn oil into gasoline. I don't know the expense on that side of the project. So I unfortunately can't comment on it. If we really want to squeeze to happen, why don't we all chip in and pay off AMC's debt? Todd, very good question. I don't think that chipping in to pay off AMC's debt would cause the squeeze to happen. Couple reasons, man. One, chipping in with, $6 billion worth of debt. I would rather buy $6 billion worth of AMC stock. The debt is nice, but buying $6 billion worth of AMC stock would or should theoretically either allow us to buy, it would allow us to buy the entire market cap. Market cap of AMC right now, $6 billion. So if you're going to pay off the $6 billion they got in debt, dude, just buy the entire float. You could buy the entire company at that point. So we would own the company 2 times over if we did that. I don't think that hedge funds are necessarily looking at the debt. I think that they are looking at the overall valuation. So if we did chip in and spent $6 billion to pay off AMC's debt, which I would hate to see us do, I don't know. I still don't know if it's going to justify the share price that we currently have. And therefore, I don't know if it would allow hedge funds to justify closing out of their short positions. But we essentially have chipped in a very large amount. We have chipped in over $1.6 billion. And how do we do that? By getting the snot diluted out of us during 2021. Adam Aaron issued roughly roughly in the entire float, issued roughly 500 million shares. And he's sitting on $1.6 billion in cash. Adam Aaron does not want to spend that on paying debt down. So if the leader of the company doesn't want to pay debt down when he absolutely could, I think it would be naive of us to pay the debt down when we could, but I think we'd be better off buying shares. I think Wellies will flop. Did he do that? I do think that there's a very good chance that it does. And I'm not saying that it's because it's Wellies. I'm saying it for a couple of reasons, man. Wellies is a fast food restaurant. Yes, they've had one location. They rebranded that single location that they've had. They were unable to franchise before. They see the Shiba Inu coin army. They're trying their best. So what is it? 75+% of new businesses are unsuccessful and fail within the first year or so. Wellies could absolutely be that. Now, it doesn't mean that it's a bad business idea. It means it's entering a very tough market. Fast food chains are not easy to break into, man. It's not. You don't see that many new fast food chains popping up and being able to compete with places like McDonald's and so on. I know it's supposed to be healthier food, but restaurants are not an easy business. Here we are, Simon. Juana, I'm so glad Juana's in here. A la madre, nosotros in Arizona. $5.49. My gosh, dude. $5.49 a gallon of gas. Yeah, aquí in San Diego, $6 a gallon. My goodness. We got gas in at $5.49 a gallon in Arizona and $6 a gallon in San Diego. That is nuts, dude. That is nuts. Is anyone else not able to log into Binance? Eric, I have not checked. Any crypto has practical use when you pay somebody wallet to wallet and they give you something in return. 100% outdoor smile. That is a currency at that point. If you use it to pay somebody for a good or service, or you use it to pay somebody and you get a good or service in return, that is a crypto. Market cap is too huge for Shiba to even dream big practically. Yeah, Masters. It's not like that out of the question right now. So talking about market cap, it's one thing to talk about prices like a penny. And looking at a $6.5 trillion market cap. I agree. That's ridiculous. And we would either need to burn a ton of coins. I'm talking 90+% of the supply, which is not going to be easy. Or we would need a very long time. Right now with the overall crypto market sitting at like $1.2 trillion, I, 1, think we're very early. And 2, think that number is drastically going to improve over the long term. 20, 30 years from now, dude, you might be sitting on a $100 trillion market cap for cryptocurrencies. You might be sitting on a $200 trillion market cap for cryptocurrencies. So it is a definite possibility to see singular coins with $6 trillion market caps a long way down the road. Is everything is digital and we live in a completely different world. I mean, think about it, guys. If you go back to 1990, we're living in a completely different world than we were in 1990. Nobody was sitting and listening to YouTube. Nobody was talking about cryptocurrencies. Watch Seinfeld. You can see that it's a different world in 1990 that people lived in than we're living in right now. So we will be living in a different world in 2050. And if cryptos survive, if cryptos are key, we could absolutely see major market caps. And we could justify singular coins with multi-trillion-dollar caps. Now, still justifying relatively low market caps. If you're looking at a 50, 60, $100 billion market cap, which is possible, you're still talking about Shiba Inu coin 10xing, 20xing in value. And dude, there's not a person out there that wouldn't want to 20x their money. Think about it, guys. You make $2,000 on a $100 trade. You make $20,000 on a $1,000 trade. You get a $10,000 investment. You get 1 billion coins right now. You're walking away with $250,000 in Shiba Inu coin gains. So it is definitely lucrative. It does have the upside. And in talking market cap, we don't need to see trillion-dollar market caps to really take advantage of some major gains. I'm in Chicago, and I'm not seeing $6.82 per gallon. Maybe because I live closer to Indiana. There you go, man. That's what you need. Wanna Colorado Springs. Something. Click. Gas is over $10 near Beverly Hills. Don't go to Beverly Hills, Frodo. Don't go to Beverly Hills. I don't know how you guys are doing it, man. $2.32 a liter in the Netherlands. Kim. That's a tough translation for me. That's probably about, $2.75 a liter times the 3.3 roughly times. Kim's near $10 a gallon as well. Man, dude, now I feel fine to be in Ohio with $5 a gallon gas, but that is... Frodo, you noticing anything out in California, you California guys, or Kim, you noticing anything out in the Netherlands right now? Anybody changing behavior? Any workplaces allowing people to work from home? Or do people just eating it? Colorado close, not too close. Close, but not too close. Not as close as Ohio, darn it. My gosh, I wish I lived closer. Once Shiba hits 1 cent, I will welcome high gas prices and get a car with 5 miles per gallon. Roulette wheel says, forget about this. My goodness, what is going on after hours? We got another... this doesn't seem to be coming back down right here. I don't know if this is one... All right, it was one of them glitch candles. This is with 32 shares. This has happened much prior to this time frame beforehand. This was 32 shares and 35 shares being traded on AMC that caused it to spike up about not just under 10%, maybe an 8% increase in price on 32 shares, and then right back down. Redbox down here jumping from 948 to 1021 and then right back down on 6 shares. 6 shares, it jumped from 940 to 1020. That is about an 8 or 9% increase in Redbox as well. And then right back down, man. Very, very strange behavior on just a couple of shares, every single day in the market, man. Let's see. Wana, I will go the distance for you. Anybody would go the distance for Wana. Put 1,000 on the AVS to win the cup before the season started. I don't even know who AVS is, man. So, are you winning? Without getting too much buzzings, I'm just waiting to see what will happen with the crypto market if there is a change in the White House stocks. Yeah, dude. I don't know if we're gonna have to wait that long or not. It's tough, man, because it all is going to depend on the types of regulations that are set up and how welcoming not just governments are, but how welcoming citizens are to cryptocurrencies. I still think the overwhelming thought is skepticism. People are skeptical of what's going on in crypto. Hey, do you live close to Cleveland, Ohio? Juana Silva. Juana, I wish I could tell you, but I typically don't discuss how close or where in Ohio I live on YouTube. Maybe we could talk about it on another platform, Twitter or Instagram or something. But I usually don't give out my location. I just say Ohio here on YouTube. This is the second day I can't get a message from a Binance. Eric, very interesting. I don't know what would be going on there. Can you clear out your garage? Living in California sucks, Clay, bro. Yeah, Nufo, you just have that spare bedroom, man. What you gotta live in the garage for? What about the Netherlands? Kim lives in the Netherlands, man. Gas was high in the Netherlands. Why don't I pick you up with my bare hands, take you where you need to go? No need to drive. Did he do that? It sounds like it would take a really long time to get there, man. Lots of chemtrails in California. Fake clouds. Shoot, man, I don't like fake clouds. I don't even like real clouds. Why would I like fake clouds? Most of LA's high. Frodo, that's crazy that LA is just barely higher than here in Ohio. Who's bought Bone? I have not bought Bone. Yes, I have 20 million Shib. Nice. Southern California, close above $6 gas price. I think it's crazy that Ohio is almost the same gas price as California there. Stacks Ape Nation, member for 9 months. Hello, all you beautiful apes. Hello, you beautiful ape yourself, Stacks Ape Nation. Glad to have you in here, man, and thank you for the member chat. Someone banned the experiment. Thank you for banning the Naked HD guy. Naked HD becoming a 3-month member soon. He better. Stacks, what's going on? Boom, baby. Stacks Ape says, you know what time it is? Time to get hard. Like a diamond. Stacks Ape Nation. Who else is hard like a diamond out there right now? Anybody? Show of hands. Anybody hard like a diamond? You better be. Did he buy diesel and run it off? Use deep fryer oil. You guys are putting deep fryer oil in your diesels? My gosh. Clay about to get hard. Oh yeah, Nufo, like a diamond, baby. Well, Clay bro going on a date with Juana. So I won't work. So if it won't work, I can't. Sam Dement, next in line. Clay bro, yeah, don't give out your address. Remember Iron Man 3 when Iron Man 3 gave out his address to the bad guy. Yeah, I can't handle bad guys showing up at the house now. That's exactly right. And I am Iron Man. That's exactly right, man. I will not be giving my address out. Yep, that looked deep into Clay Bros. Oh, yeah, Vegas is looking deep in the eyes. I know he was. Vegas still in here, man. Barbo's about to go to bed. Oh, man, about to go to bed. Hey, well, you know what? Enjoy your night, man. We got a couple minutes left in here, so enjoy your night, and thank you very much for hanging out with us today. Hard like a what? Hard like a diamond, man. Clay Bro, do you have Solana or Avalanche, and do they have a good cap for the future? Oh, I do not. You know what? Solana, I like, but I do not own any. Avalanche, I don't know too much about, and I also do not own any. I do think that Solana can do well in the future, man. So I would not have a problem buying Solana on these dips that we're seeing, or I actually do plan on getting some once this crypto market kind of settles down and we determine whether or not 30,000 is going to hold up on Bitcoin, or if we end up falling through and seeing much lower prices. Solana is one that I wouldn't have a problem looking into and getting. Colombia time. Franco, you in Colombia, or are you just going to Colombia? Please don't pull out the bananas again. The elite boss. Your little reverse psychology saying please don't do it, but what he means is please do it. Before Shib reaches a penny. Hey, I don't know. Did he do that? Good questions, man. I can find you, brother, if I really wanted to. Wayne Grow, you don't want to, man. You don't want to, so please don't. How the metrics look, bear or bull, Luna Classic? Dude, are you talking short term or long term? Because short term, nobody knows. Like, look at this volatility, man. We're going to look at a 5-minute graph. Look at the volatility on this 5-minute graph here. Let's go 30-minute graph. We're starting to see way too many spikes. We weren't seeing much action. These are 30-minute candles here. We weren't seeing much action at all in the 8,000 point per coin range, 7,000 point per coin range. It started to fall. People getting nervous, and then boom, dude, it falls off all the way to 4,000 points per coin. And then within like a 2-hour period, it jumps all the way back, more than doubles in price to 8,700, drops all the way back down to 6,000. Now it's all the way back up to 8,000. It has been seeing wild, basically 90% swings, 110% swings, 50% swings, another 50% swing. Like, it has been seeing some ridiculous short-term volatility. Long-term, Please do not expect it to come back up to these prices up here. I am not expecting $100, $20, $60, $80 price points on Terra Luna Classic unless 99% of the supply is burnt. I would expect you got to come into this hourly graph then and really look at what's happening. Well, no, I just lost it. Really look at what's happening in these areas here. Can you get back up to 20,000? Yeah, you can get back up to 20,000. Can you fall down, back all the way down here to negative? Yeah, you could fall down into negative. They might be paying you to buy Terra Luna Classic one day. So it is wild, man, and I would just be cautious. I would be cautious with it, knowing that it's got the potential to rocket higher or fall another 99.9% in value. It is a risky play, but people are loving it. If you want to play without any risk, use the link in the description below for Voyager. Get $50 in free Bitcoin and just buy $50 worth of Luna. Even if it goes to zero and you lose all $50, you got that $50 in free Bitcoin to offset the loss there. Michael, absolutely, man. Thanks for being in here. Does anyone hold Teslas? I do not. Shib should just get to $1 per token already. Dude, if Shiba goes to $1 per token, I would love it. Wow, what the heck is wrong with America? Another match, Maryland this time. Crypto Racketeer. I don't know. I didn't see anything about it, but it does seem crazy. And I'm not, listen, I'm not trying to take away from any of these. I think they're tragic, right? And they absolutely are. But I also think it's a little bizarre, okay, that we've been scared for the last 2 years with the C word and shutdowns and this virus. And then they try, what did they try? Okay, a war. They started a war. And now we've got some monkey thing, right? They're trying to scare monkey. That's not scaring anybody. People are kind of not really worried about that. And now we've got all these shootings. It is bizarre to me the amount of fear that they're trying to fill people with. And like I say, I'm not trying to take away from the tragic effect of everything, but we've been pushed. We've been pushed with a lot of stuff recently, and it doesn't seem normal to me. I'm not even that old, but it doesn't seem normal that we are being smothered in so much fear over the last 2 years, man. I don't know. I've lived a short life, but it doesn't seem like a normal activity or normal times for me. Shiba will reach 1 cent in 7 years. Remy, if Shiba reaches 1 cent in 7 years, tell me one person in here that wouldn't be happy 7 years from now sitting on 100 million tokens that's worth $1 million. I think every single person in here that is able to invest $1,000 and watch it turn into $1 million would be extremely grateful. Hello, peeps. Moji, what's going on? Well, the naked guy's still spamming. The naked guy loves spamming, man. 7 years is too long. What if Shiba is not around then? Well, it would be around if it was at a penny in 7 years. But yeah, dude, anybody that could turn $1,000 into $1 million in 7 years would be very happy with it. Luna Classic is on fire. Grand View. Luna Classic, dude, it's making me want to get in. Like, I'm sitting over here twitching. I want to get in. Kinder Surprise is illegal in some places in America, but Kinder Surprise. I don't even know what that is. What's Kinder Surprise? But guns are, well, dude, guns are not illegal. I don't think guns should be illegal. Who's got a wrench? Naked guy in the chat. We got more naked guys in the chat right now. Somebody with a wrench, take the naked guy out if we've got one. We don't need any naked guys in here. Is Naked HD really the cheapest? Nufo, we got somebody wondering. Naked HD, is Naked HD really the cheapest out there, or do we have cheaper alternatives? 7 years is too long for you to be set for life. Then try another token. It all depends on your plan. Yeah, you could hit. Look, there could be another lottery ticket play. You know, you could get into Luna, dude, and Luna could 1000x in price with the volatility that it's been seeing. There could be some Binance Smart Chain scam out there that catches on. People start buying it. So it is absolutely possible to see some wild gains in the cryptocurrency market. But dude, 7 years to make $1 million on 1,000, not too bad for me. Let's see. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat. First thing I see is Sex Stuff when I went in the chat. What's up with that? Grandpa Barney, I have no idea. You mean it doesn't happen to everybody? I thought it happened to everybody. Hello to my other fam. Much love. Let's make some money. Let's do it, Grandpa Barney. Does it really not? Is it only me? Am I the only dude that's got the Negative HD chat guy coming in here and spamming? I figured everybody was getting that, but it was just me. Sweet, man. I feel lucky. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat. So glad to have you in here. Grandpa Barney, you still putting in so much overtime? You getting a little bit of a rest? What's going on over there in the Washington area, man? You better be getting some rest. Darn, Luna's gonna rock it. Digging up the pass. Loving it, y'all. Come from Zimbabwe. Gas is free. Just gotta open up the neighbor's truck. That is not how you get free gas, Simon. Somebody paid for that gas. Check Clove. What is Clove doing, man? We got CLV rolling. What is going on here? Oh, I thought this was CLV in the US, or are you talking on the TSX? Well, it doesn't. I don't think you're talking TSX. CLV, it wasn't popping up for me. Joking aside, she was featured depends on success of Shibaarium, partnerships, NFT sales, AAA graphics game, adoption of the metaverse, and huge interest and burns. It's great, huge interest in burns. If that plays out, we win, and dude, we win big too. Is there any way we could spam Naked Guy and turn this about in a fair play? Interesting. I guess you guys could all go to negativehd.com or whatever it is and spam him over there. He'd probably like that. Let's see. Why is it getting skyrocket? That's the question. You know, I don't know if it's skyrocketing right now. I think it's just returning to the prices that it was at. So if we come over to... it's always so hard to find on here. So it's back up to 8,200 points. It's back up to where it was here at this level. You know, hit some resistance here, and it's back up to where it was. But, you know, this is... Let's put a line on here. Where it's at in these areas, at the 8,000, is really where it finds a lot of support. So you can see these are hour-long charts here, and it's found a lot of support in this area for multiple days. So it's trying to return. It did fall through and fall down to 4,000, and now it's doubled back in price to go back up to that 8,000 point range. So I don't know if it's necessarily a skyrocket, but it's comfortable in that 8,000 level. Anybody that was able to buy down in here has done very well just over the last day. So congratulations to anybody that's making some massive gains on Luna Classic. Indubitably, thank you very much for the 569, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. It's great to catch you live, Clay, bro. Indubitably, it's great to catch Clay. I'm glad you're in here. For real, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate every single person that sent a super chat, clicked the like button, came in here, kept the chat going, talking, enjoying your day, and hanging out with us, man. That's what it's all about. That's why we're here in the first place. 7 years too long. I want Lambo soon. Sam Demand number 2. Then we get Sam Demand number 1. We got Sam Demand number 2. We want Lambo now. The guns, but people would not need guns protection if there was no guns at all. Well, but there always will be, man. There always will be. You know, people wouldn't die of drugs if there was no drugs, but there's always you're always gonna have bad people. It's always like, you know, you wouldn't have to lock your doors if there were no thieves. Dude, I've tried my best to tell all of the thieves out there to stop being thieves. But for some reason, people get it in their minds that they can do these just bad things. And then they want to go steal from somebody. It is not a good thing. Don't steal from anybody, ever. It's one of the worst things that there is. People just bad people, man. I don't know. Do you know XRP Ripple? So yes, I do know Ripple. I like the company Ripple. I like what they're doing. I like the coin. I like XRP, but I don't own any because I don't know how the SEC is gonna, you know, settle this suit and what's gonna happen with that. Spaniard, hey Clay, bro, missed you. Spaniard, missed you too, man. Where you been, man? Well, like all of these people that come back in here that haven't been in for a long time. Where do you guys go? Where do you guys go? You gotta hang out with us on the daily. At least just stop by. I had to work overtime for Super Chats. Nice, Grandpa Bernie. People are hungry. It's pouring rain again. I think Southern Cali and Arizona need the rain. Hey, dude, they might. I have no idea what the weather situation is in California or Arizona. Hopefully I learn a little bit more about Arizona, if you guys know what I mean. But, dude, you don't listen, Grandpa Barney. I would rather never see a Super Chat again and know that you are resting and not working any overtime than you going out and killing yourself to send a Super Chat, man. Don't do that. Clint, can you please Google Kinder Surprise before the end of the stream? I got 5 minutes. I can do it. Let's see what it is, man. Let's see where we at. Oh, I've seen these things before. Ah, gotcha. Yeah. So we've got these little eggs with a toy in them, man. These little chocolate eggs, they got a toy in them. I've seen these things before. Why is Kinder Surprise, or is it Kinder Surprise or Kinder Surprise, banned in the U.S.? It's because the regulation set up by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, which is given its powers by the U.S. Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetics Act in 1938. Essentially a law that dictates any food with a non-nutritive object embedded, such as a toy, inside confectionery items is not allowed. So unfortunately, you can't put a toy. Dude, how do they get these people to do these proposals then where they bake a cupcake with a ring inside of it? Dude, I didn't know these people were breaking the law to get married like that. When these people put a ring inside of a cupcake. You can't eat a ring, man. You guys could have gone to jail. Could have gone to jail making those cupcake rings, dude. Kinder. All right, Kinder Surprise. Gotcha. I thought it might have been that after I saw what it was. Kinder Surprise. Yeah, I guess you can't put toys in food. Shibaarium could rip and burn 1 trillion tokens every 3 days, like Milkshake Equation predicts. Yeah, and if it does, dude, I think it's going to be amazing for Shiba Inu coin, or the price of Shiba Inu coin. I love supers. It's fun. Grandpa Barney. I like him as well. You guys know that I like the super chats. Really appreciate everybody that sends them. But I never want to see anybody like over extending themselves or stressing themselves out. They're meant to be fun. They're meant to be for, shout outs and questions and messing around and things like that. So, yes, never, don't send a $100 super chat if you didn't pay your rent, or don't worry about it if you send in a big super chat if you haven't paid your cell phone bill or something like that. Never overextend yourselves on anything. And she swallowed it. Something. People need protection, no guns, not a salute. Yeah. Oh, not you guys. Like, I totally get it. You can get Kinder Bueno, though. You can get Kinder Bueno. What is Kinder Bueno? Are we to expect a run up on AMC like last year since the expiration last Friday of 365-day extension? Lillian, I would not expect a run up on AMC based on anything that is cyclical or pattern. Just because the stock ran up on a certain date, or just because the stock ran up because of a certain number previously, does not mean that it has to run up again. It does indicate that it could, but it doesn't mean that it has to. If you could predict run-ups like that, everybody would be trillionaires, and that is not the case. So it's very unfortunate, but it is just more of a patience game and a waiting game that we have to outlast the negativity in the market and become bulls. Indubitably! Oh my gosh, this is heavy. Dude, these are 85-pound dumbbells. Gosh. Last one. Indubitably, thank you for the workout. Those were 85-pound dumbbells. I didn't think I could do that, man, but that was actually a lot easier than I thought. Indubitably, man, thank you for the workout. Thank you for the super sticker. Funny thing is, the toy is in a plastic egg, so why is it okay to have food inside of plastic? Oh, it is. So it's okay to have food inside of plastic because you're not going to eat the plastic. If it's inside of a confectionery item, like a piece of chocolate or something, dude, you want to know why, Crypto Rocketeer? I'll just tell you why, dude. I'll tell you why. Because there are people out there who would see, I don't have anything good sitting next to me. They would see a chocolate egg like this. They would just pick it up. And people I don't know if it's that they don't care. They don't know. They're just like completely out of it. They would just eat it. And swallow it, dude. They would. You might think that that's bizarre. It's not that. People are weird, man. People are weird. They would just take the entire egg, shove it in their mouth, and just swallow it. You think the way that I eat a banana is weird, right? Just imagine people eating these eggs. Just imagine people eating these eggs, dude. They'll just throw them in their mouth, they'll chew them up, and they'll swallow them. They would choke on the plastic toy. You think that people would not, but they would, man. They absolutely would. The world's a strange place, bro. The world is a very strange place. And I'll tell you, people will eat toys. They definitely will. It's 5:01. My goodness, guys. I can't believe that it is already. Lick it first, I hope. Yeah, if you lick it, you know. If you lick it, you know. If you don't lick it, you will never know. So always lick first. Remember that. You guys are going to be going to eating your dinner tonight. And just licking it before you take your bite. I know you will. Guys, it is 5 o'clock, so we're going to take off for now. We're going to have videos in 2 hours, videos in 3 hours. Make sure to check those out. 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern time. We'll get those videos out there. But let's do the shout-outs, and then we will be back tonight with the videos. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on them as always. Indubitably, we've got, what was that one there? I missed it. Elite Boss, Moji, D, Devin, Cheney, see you later, Tim Hogan, Newfo, AMC Blue. We do need edible plastic. That would be amazing. Crypto Rocketeer, see you later, AMC Trapper saying, peace out to the diamond-handed apes and the Shiba army. Hold strong, baby. Let's get it. Viva la Shiba Inu, the people's coin, indubitably. Heck yeah, man. At least sniff it. Lick it, sniff it, do something to it. Master, see you later. Mr. Simonino, Diddy214, Overtime, Clay, bro, never. New foe, see ya. Hemi Life, Diddy do that. Zico, later, man. Mo G, James, indubitably. Tim, see you later. New foe, Shiba Inu to Pluto. Gotta follow your gut, master. Heck yeah, if it's not for you. Hey, dude, always, never invest in something because somebody else is investing in it. Only invest in it if you guys are confident in it. Remy, see you later. Wayne Grow, Crypto Rocketeer, see you later. D, man, all of you guys, enjoy your day. You know what? Oh, I forgot to say, I don't know if she's listening right now, but Juana, if you are listening, enjoy your evening. I hope you have a great time. If you're back in Mexico right now, I hope you have a great time. And enjoy your vacation. Enjoy your time back at home, whatever you're doing out there. See you later, bro. See you later, Master. And Metatron, see you, PS5 Future. Frodo, have a good night as well. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.